Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda, and this is my kitchen. Pasta Frolla, sweet short crust pastry, Italian pastry dough, a basic recipe made with flour, butter, egg, sugar, and any flavoring of your choice. First things first, next week a chef called Rhonda will be traveling to Italy, and I'll be filming from the island of Ischia, and we'll be bringing you more recipes with Ischkin style. I'll also take you to all the local shops and markets. Grab your trusty wooden spoon. We'll all meet back in the kitchen while I show you how to make pasta frolla. Okay, welcome into the kitchen. I have a deep set mixing bowl, and that's key. Today I'm using 2.5 cups of 00 good quality cake flour, a 1/4 cup of white granulated ordinary sugar, and I will stir this using a fork. Now I'm using 5 ounces of butter, salted or unsalted, the world is yours. I'm going to add the cubed butter to the flour and the sugar. Now with 2 forks, I'm going to grind down the butter into the flour and the sugar until it forms pea-sized granules like so. Okay, and next we're going to add our egg yolks. And we're utilizing 3 egg yolks. Today, I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to incorporate the yolks into the ingredients just until the ingredients pull from the sides of the mixing bowl, like so. Okay, now that my ingredients are incorporated, I'm going to get in with my hands and create a ball. It's rustic at first, but watch the process as I create that nice, smooth pastry dough ball. Once I've smoothed the dough out, I'm going to wrap it in plastic for a minimum of 30 minutes, but feel free to go upwards of 24 hours. Also, feel free to add any type of flavoring extract. Okay, there we have it. Pasta frolla. I wanted to take a moment and say hi to all my subscribers. Many thanks for watching today's cooking show, A Chef Called Rhonda. It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. And please be certain to stay tuned as I travel in the coming days and the coming weeks to the island of Ischia in the Bay of Naples, Italy. Many thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet again, from my kitchen to yours, arrivederci. Ciao!